Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, boys. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today it's kind of a special video, guys. This video is sponsored by Minea, and today I'm gonna deep dive into the Minea and actually show you guys how Minea can actually help you find winning products with so much ease. So I'm gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna show you guys how Minea works. I'm gonna tell you guys the benefit as well, and even tell you guys about the special code that I have, Ihsans20, on how you guys can redeem 20% off. But before that, of course, you guys want to know if it's even worth it or not. So I'm gonna jump right into it. Alright, guys, so once you're on Minea, I'm gonna show you guys how I find my winning products. So all I have to do is literally click on business plan and then on the winning products, and right here I can see so many winning products already. So I'm literally just gonna go down. I clicked on sales by 30 days, so what has got the most sales in the past 30 days, that's what Minea is trying to show to me. And over here, if you guys don't already know, this is an infinity hoop. It is a winning product, and it's basically just to lose your fat on your belly, and a lot of females actually use this product. A winning product right off the bat on the second product itself. The third product is a hair remover, the flasher. So if you guys haven't heard of it, it's currently doing really good for a lot of stores. I personally haven't tested out myself, but I definitely look into it. Right on the app itself, on the winning products, you can literally search for anything. So for example, you can literally search on which date it was released. So of course I chose last 7 days. And you can also search by sales. How many sales did it get? Up to 1 million. And yeah, you have so many options to actually select from. You also have quick query where you can choose to see, for example, winning products today. So it's literally gonna bring out the products that is literally doing good today, which is sick, and it's really good for a dropshipper to actually start his dropshipping journey, because you can see a lot of good products right over here. And this is my favorite section so far. Right over here, I can literally search on quick query, and I can literally see the winning products this week. Let's have a look at this. That's crazy. That's literally one of the winning products right now. Literally, that's doing so good. Let's have a look at this real quick. That's a branded store. The cane keyboard. What's this? That's crazy, bro. Now you can also choose the date, on which date it has been seen. For example, last 30 days, on which country, what type of e-commerce, Shopify, of course, always, how many likes, how many plays. This is literally goated, guys. So I'm gonna search for best of the month. We're gonna see what's in here. So wow, this product that we saw in the first time is still in the best of the month. Now jumping into the Facebook ads, guys, if you guys don't already know, a lot of products on Facebook is actually winning too. It's usually that you see on Instagram and stuff like that. And I'm gonna try to search for weekly winners on the Facebook section. And yeah, if you guys don't already know this, literally my whole family has this. It is actually a winning product, and the advertisement is what makes it really nice. And the craziest part is you can literally download any advertisement with literally 2 clicks. So you can literally download the video onto your desktop just like that. On Facebook, as I told you guys, there is so many winning products. Look at that. That's literally an eyebrow. That's crazy. That's beautiful. So that's another winning product right there. This is actually a product again to make your waist slim. Another winning product. And what is this? Wow, that's actually crazy. Now they also have something called Success Radar, and it's gonna tell you what is the best Shopify stores right now. And if you guys don't already know, Minea is one of them. They are doing crazy good for the past few years. They've been taking over. And most of these shops are actually branded, but you can definitely source out their product, of course, 100%. Also have track a new shop. So they have a track shop where you can actually track a Shopify store and see how they're doing, which is amazing, guys. For someone who actually wants to spy on other stores and see if they're actually doing good or not, this is one of the best tools. So if you see any ad on TikTok and if you want to track it through Minea, this is one of the best options to do it. So yeah, boys, so many winning products. I haven't even checked Pinterest ads, but I'm pretty sure there's so many winning products over there as well. Now, if you guys are actually interested in getting started and actually, you know, finding winning products with ease and literally every single day or every single week finding new products, this is one of the best options for you guys. And let me unlock this. So yeah, top 100 winning products to sell on Facebook. Yeah, as I mentioned guys, a lot of different winning products. This is literally a game changer. If you guys want to get started, make sure to use the link down below to get percentage off. And also, if you guys don't use the link, you can use my code, which is Hassans20, and you can get 20% off. So yeah, make sure you guys actually take advantage of this. And if you guys have any question, let me know in the comment section below and I'll make sure to get back to you guys. Peace out.